Hey, what's up everyone? This is Alan from BTS Tuned here with an unboxing for a prototype part from VOLK Metal Craft, VMC. Makes a lot of suspension components for DSMs and the 3S, among others. This is a prototype part that I had the opportunity to be the first to install on a 3S after successfully using their upper and lower control arms, upper curved and lower both using Heim joints. So here we go. As you can see, proudly made in America, cause America. Let's get this going. Some pretty cool stuff, including some nice goodies from Paul at VOLK. Looks like we call it a koozie. So definitely gonna be putting this shit to use. Awesome. And any guesses what this may be? Of course it is suspension related. Here's this badassery. It is a tubular rear support brace for the rear differential. Let's see how it has a nice finish to it. And of course would be complete with some nice Heim joints as well. I believe I have a couple of rubber boots or condoms as I call them. But this is a great solution, an alternative to doing solid differential bushings. Very excited to install this and complete the rear end upgrades.